Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Corinne from Barbie and the Three Musketeers in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, let's get into it. Here I have dressed like Corinne and I'm going to show you guys how I created this outfit. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to toggle it back and remove the flowers, and you're going to color it with this color and select this here, and then you're going to remove the bangs and color it with the same color. And here I have put on this necklace and also this one. Okay, and you can color it like this. And the next one, we're going to open this box, and then you're going to select this corset from the Valentine's update. Okay guys, you can color it with this pink color for the first selection. This is for the color code. And for the next selection, you're going to color it with this pink color. Okay, this is for the color code. And for the ruffles, again, you're going to color it with this pink color. And also for the bows, just make it this pink. And then for the lace, I'm just going to make it this color. Okay, and for the lace too, make it this color. Okay, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Just make them all glitter for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, oops, sorry guys. For the lace one, you can make it default. And after that, you're going to select the sleeves. Okay, and you're going to make it glitter. All right, and the next one, I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, and I'm going to choose this skirt, and then we're going to change the toggle to skirt only, and we're going to color it with the same pink color. And for the second selection, you're going to make it this color, and don't forget to make it glitter. Okay, but sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to the culture clothing area. I'm going to go to the dressing. I'm going to go to the changing room, and we're going to select the skirt. Okay, and you're going to remove the layer and make it pink. This one, this pink color, and you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to wear this skirt as well. It's from the witch set, and make it pink for the first selection and also the second selection. And again, don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to go to the VIP room. We need some items from there. I'm going to use this shoe, and I'm going to remove the socks. Okay, we can choose only shoes, and again, I'm going to apply the same pink color. Okay, for the first selection and also the next selection. And I'm going to select this mask, this one, and then we're going to remove the feather. Go to the toggle and select no feather, and again, you're going to color it with this pink color. Just make them all pink like this. And I'm going to choose this item, and we're going to color it with this golden color for the holder. Okay, just for the holder. All right, and I'm going to make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Corinne from Barbie and the Three Musketeers. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!